No problem, no problem. So, PSL Pulse Buffet 2 is the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune 0. Guys, how are you?
I'm good, bro. How are you?
I'm good, good. I'm good, my brother.
I'm also good, and how are you?
Can I catch your name, brother?
I'm Junior.
Junior and?
Albert.
Junior and Albert. Can you tell me, guys, before coming to this game, which team were you supporting?
Before I came here, I was supporting Sekhukhune. Yeah, because
What about
Sekhukhune?
Okay, what about you, my
Same
brother?
as me.
Sekhukhune. Okay, can you talk about today's game? How did you guys see it?
It was a very interesting game. We really enjoyed the game, and although we were very disappointed about the results, we wanted to win the game, but at least we had a draw, so it's fine. Yeah.
All right, thanks, my brother. So looking at today's game, my brother, if you were given an authority to choose the man of the match, who would you give it to?
The keeper for Sekhukhune.
Lina.
Best.
The best.
Yeah, the best. Nobody.
Okay. Are you happy with the 0-0 results, though?
Not really, but there's nothing we can do. So we keep on pushing. We know the next time we're gonna do the most.
So looking at Sekhukhune, you guys, if I'm not mistaken, I think you are number 4 on the log. Are you guys still in? Do you believe that you are still in the race for the league?
Yeah, we are.
What about you,
We are coming up. We're not going to stay on the number 4 log. Yeah. Next match, I hope we must win that game so that
straight.
you know. Yeah.
So 2 trophies left this season. Do you think you guys will win any of the remaining trophies?
100%. I trust in my boys. You know.
We know what they can do. Yeah. So just keep on watching live. We're gonna do everything for you.
Thank you so much. All the best for the rest of the season, man.
Thank you, bro. You're welcome.